All right, so we're gonna get going on the front door now. We're gonna spray the door down with our slip solution. We're gonna take our squeegee and we're gonna create our dry spot. And then I'm gonna take our door pattern, peel it away from the liner. And we're just going to stick this down onto the vehicle. So that corner down there, try and stay a bit further back on it. All right, so now that we have the door back rolled on, I'm gonna remove the film, or part of the film, and we're gonna start spraying down the adhesive of the paint protection film. Whoa, and you don't wanna do that. Luckily I caught that. That can happen when you're dealing with slip solution. All right, so we are basically ready to install. Just making sure I got enough solution on the top of the film so my squeegee is going to glide around properly. Perfect. Now on the door, normally I would say start in the back here, work your way forward, but in this situation, we're gonna start working on the front. So Sarah, if you wanna come around over here, it's gonna be hard to see, but well, first off, I wanna mention that this front edge of the door is not wrapped. It will be wrapped for the matte black or satin black paint protection film wraps that we do. But for clear paint protection film, it's not wrapped. It's very, very hard to properly wrap that corner. So I got this all lined up here nicely. So I'm gonna pull the film back, spray my hot water tack solution behind the film, and if you drop your squeegee on the floor, just take your slip solution, wash it off, make sure there's no dust or dirt particles on the film. And there we go, and that's good. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna come down to the bottom. I'm gonna pull the film back. I got more slip solution behind the film as well as on top of the film. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna line up on the bottom corner. That's good. Now what I can do is before I take and squeegee this back edge down, I'm going to take and pull the film back up top here a little bit more carefully this time. Just to get more slip solution behind the film. And my bottle is running out. I'm taking my hand right now and I'm just massaging all these big giant air pockets out from under the film. Now before I start getting that down, I want to make sure that I got this top corner down. So if you want to come around to this side, Sarah. So I'm going to pull the film back here, spray my hot water tack solution. There we go. That's good. Now before we go down, I'm going to make sure I got everything squeegeed down nicely along the top. So I'm taking my squeegee at an angle and I'm pushing the solution out towards that black rubber seal. Now what you can do is you can move this mirror to make this a little bit easier for you. If you're doing a matte wrap, you will have to remove the mirror from the vehicle, so that will make the whole install much easier for you. Okay, there we go, that's good. Now we can start squeegeeing everything down. That's good. Now, because we still have this finger over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and pop this bottom piece up here, because the bottom of the door gets wrapped anyways. And what I'm going to do is just stretch it down a bit, and then I'm going to get more tack solution under the film. Make sure everything is lined up nicely on the bottom, and that is, I got that all squeegeed down. Now I can come back to the top here. And that's good. Now we can take and start squeegeeing all the slip solution down that's behind the door, or behind the film on the door. So we always want to make sure you're overlapping your squeegee strokes. This is going to prevent moisture from being left behind, something I repeat countless times in my videos because it is super important to the success of a paint protection film install. There we go. Now last thing I need to do is take and flush this bottom edge out with my tack solution. What that's doing is it's flushing the slip solution out from behind the film. And there we go. That is good. We're going to let that dry out, and now we're going to do the rear door. All right, so we're going to start installing the paint protection film on the rear door. So I'm going to spray it down with my slip solution. There we go. That is good. Now we're going to take our squeegee and we're going to create our dry spot right over here. We'll come all the way to the bottom. Now we're going to peel our paint protection film away from the liner. As you can see, I'm making this look a lot harder than it needs to be. All right, so now we're gonna pull the paint protection film back, and we're not gonna go as far back as we did last time because we don't wanna lose the paint protection film off the vehicle. And we're just spraying our slip solution behind the film. Got some sticking spots there in the middle. I've since remedied those. So now I'm just making sure that there's no sticking spots that are going to keep the paint protection film from being able to glide into place. This is perfect. This is exactly what you want. With one hand, you should be able to move the panel with relative ease. Right now I'm just massaging air pockets out from underneath the film so I can get everything to lay down. Now with this rear door, we're going to start right up at the very top over here. So, here we go. Got that lined up. Perfect. And then we're going to work our way to the front here. I'm going to squeegee that down. Now what we'll do is we're going to squeegee this top edge down first, starting on this body line right here. Squeegee angled upwards, so we're pushing the solution up. There we go, that's good. Now we're going to start from this body line and start pulling everything down. Perfect. This is exactly what you want. Start at the top, work your way down. Now we've created some air pockets here. And now we're just going to take our hand and we're just going to massage them out. By doing so, this helps the paint protection film just find its place or sit down properly. So we're going to tack this bottom corner into place now. I want to line that up with the relief cut or with this notch down there. That's good. Now we're going to do the same thing over here. There we go, that's perfect. Now we're good to start squeegeeing everything else out from behind the film. But what I'm going to do first is just spray the top of the film down with my slip solution one more time, just to make sure that all of the squeegeeing I do is going to not damage the film. Don't do what I just did, where you open the door. Well, the door is going to be open now for the rest of this. You'll want to watch where you put your hands while you're doing your install. You don't want to pop your doors open. Now you see I got to this body line and I got these bubbles right along this body line right here. I'm just going to take and push those out the side. There we go. That is good. Perfect. And that's how you install the rear door. Next pattern that we're going to install is the rear bedside.